Hey, what's up? Welcome to the weekly update. This one's going to be quick because nothing really major happened, and I gotta be quick as well. So I spent this week or most of it planning the launch, which will be sometime in about 20 days to the public. So to my personal brand, to my email list, to my following. I think I've mentioned it in the past, but I work on another marketplace, and the CEO told me that basically if I promoted my new marketplace to the audience, that I've built, which was somewhat built with clients I'd picked up from his marketplace. Long story short, he said he'd ban me from his marketplace, so I had to spend like this whole past year building somewhat in private for the people that know me in the freelancing industry and in the SEO industry. But yeah, the time has finally come. I can't wait any longer. I decided to pull the trigger, and if he bans me, I'm banned. Fuck it. And I've transferred all my services to Vettted already, so I'm ready to go. And sometime in about a couple of days, I'll be releasing it to the public. And yeah, it will grow a lot, hopefully, and hopefully I'll manage to bring all my clients to Vettted. That's the goal, and grow Vetted even more, because as of now we're kind of not growing at all. We've managed to gather quite some supply, but not a lot of demand, or almost little demand. I think last month we processed around $2,000 in payments. This month it was way lower. I can even tell you how much it was. Just gonna double check right here. But most of the payments that were processed, both this month and the last one, were payments made by me. But this month we processed around. I'm sorry for doing this right here, but I'll tell you in just a second how many payments we processed, how many dollars in payments we processed this month. It was around around $500. So it's nothing. We need to grow faster. That's, I mean, sorry, I'm rambling a lot, but basically the goal for this next couple of weeks is to prepare a launch sequence. So I'm gonna write emails, gonna produce content to hype up my audience, to then on a day which I don't feel very comfortable talking about here, we'll launch to the audience, to the main audience. And hopefully, again, I'll bring all my clients to Vetted and start growing this to its full potential, because I've been held back for so long and being forced to build in private. Because if I showed people, my audience, this, I would be banned from that other platform, and I wouldn't have had the money to build Vetted. So that's why I didn't promote the platform to these people, to my clients, because otherwise I would not have the money to build what we've built, which is quite expensive. Hopefully next week we'll start the launch sequence, and hopefully in a few weeks' time, platform is pumping, full of my clients and full of other people, and generating some money. Some other quick updates. We wanted to add PayPal payments, but Mango Pay, our payment processor, told us that we needed to process at least $1 million per year, which is a lot, at least for now. So we scratched that idea. So right now we have Visa and MasterCard payments. We want to have American Express. We're still waiting on our payment processor to give us the green light on that, because they enabled American Express payments for euros, which I'm not sure how that is possible, because it's an English card, an American card, sorry. So it should only be for USD. But yeah, we're waiting on that as well. We also, and I'm looking at Notion right now, we added a social sign up. So if you go to Vetted right now and want to sign up, you no longer have to fill all that huge form you had to fill in the past. You just sign up with Google, which is a one-click sign up. So that's great. and we fixed a couple of more bugs. And in regards to features, we have all we need, so there's no use in focusing on making and putting in super. Sorry about that. I live in my parents' basement, so not live, but I work in my parents' basement, so there's always noise around. And yeah, what I was saying was that there's no need to add any more features, and we just have some quick fix bugs to fix, I guess. And yeah, just looking forward for the launch and to get this going to its full potential, and looking forward to stop being held back by that other CEO from that other marketplace. Nothing against him. I mean, I guess I'll do the same because we're competition. But yeah, it is what it is. 6 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. This is not interesting, I understand, but I do this mainly to document the journey, and I hope the 20 people, maybe less, that watch these like them. And yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you next week.